Hello guys, welcome. This is Dr. Kavita Warrior and you are seeing my channel Cure and Care. So I have been observing that people are seeing my videos but they are not subscribing, so please subscribe, like my video, and you can comment under my comment box saying your opinions and stuff, okay? So today we're going to talk about sore throat. So basically, everybody might be thinking that sore throat is a very huge disease and all, but it's not like that. Sore throat is just a symptom that is telling us that, hey, watch it. So sore throat, running nose, sneezing, cough, all these are tiny, tiny symptoms, which is like giving us a signal that you should take care of your health. Okay. So in Ayurveda, sore throat comes under Kantha Roga. Kantha means throat. So it comes under the list of throat problems. So sore throat is basically you have a pain or irritation in your throat, and it could be caused by bacteria or virus. Depends on the situation, because some people say that virus causes this, some people say that bacteria causes this. It could be anything. So everybody knows that this, if we have a lot of cold water, we get throat pain. But later on, it affects our tonsils, so that could be tonsillitis. It affects our pharynx, that could be pharyngitis, so a lot of things like that. So there are many types basically, so we are not going to go into that. So why do we get sore throat? Let's go to the causes. So causes, basically the first cause, just like I said, it could be cold water, any cold drinks, like whichever you eat cold, not for one day, but if you're consistently drinking it, then you could have it. Second thing is a fever like any, just like I said, when COVID came, people were affected a lot of things, just like that. That could be another causes. Another thing is like allergies, okay? If you're consuming some medicines, and it could be the side effect, okay? And then another thing is like anything like to do with digestion issues, like GERD, this gastro reflux disease. So that could be another thing which you could be affected by. So there are so many causes, which is why you get sore throat. And what are the other symptoms other than this pain? What are the other symptoms? Let's go to that. So the other symptoms are, you might be having difficulty in swallowing anything like chocolate or food or whatever it is. You might be having difficulty, and sometimes when you're eating something, your pain increases. You'll also feel like a hoarseness in your voice, like when you're speaking, your voice will not be that much clear. And for some people, you might have swelling in your neck or in your throat. In this area, you might have swelling. So you cannot just see it like that. You have to touch it. That is why we doctors just trying to touch your neck like this, trying to like press against our skin so that we could feel a lump or a little bit tiny protrusion in your throat. So don't be scared, because some doctors would say, some doctors would say that you could have an operation or something. Well, I don't think that's completely true. So just after the physical examination, they could feel that whether this is the sore throat or something huge. Okay, so basically you can take it like this. Take these two fingers and do it like this. Try to massage. So it's like a normal thing, and you can, if you want to know what is normal, so you don't have to go to Google or YouTube. You can just check it with your family, somebody else. So now, what can we do when we have a sore throat? Okay, now one thing I just have to mention here is, some people, if they don't like heal this, or if they don't have any medicine, so it could be affected. Like you could get something else. Like what else? It could be like you get fever, the difficulty in swallowing might increase, you cannot eat or drink anything, and you could also have like you're vomiting, blood in your saliva. So this is another level of the symptoms. Okay, now let's go to the home remedies. What can we do in our home, so to cure all this sore throat or whatever, to at least calm our things down, so that we could at least try to calm it down until we go to the doctor? Okay, the first thing is tulasi. Tulasi is a very good medicine, like basil leaves. It could really affect, it's really good for us. Tulasi is really the best, one of the best medicine. It has a lot of properties. So just take 3 or 4 leaves of tulasi, boil it in water, and after it cools it down, just use it to gargle. Okay, gargle means, some people have the doubts, so end of the video I'll be saying that how to gargle. I'll be doing it in another video. That would be the best thing. So gargle the tulasi. Next thing is ginger. You can take ginger and just cut into small tiny pieces, and take small onion, 1 or 2 maybe fine, and then grind it, and that juice with honey will be the best medicine. And turmeric, I posted a picture here with turmeric. It is really helpful. You can see that they have mentioned a lot of things, like how to do it, how to prepare it. So take your time, read it. Turmeric is also the best medicine whenever you have any fever or digestion or whatever it is. Turmeric has a lot of benefits. Okay, so just read it. Also, salt water is the most common remedy which everybody does. Another thing is like tea leaves. Whenever you have a tea, what do? You take the tea leaves, boil it, after that you add sugar. But here, don't add sugar. Add salt with it. And then I know it's going to be really weird and you might puke or vomit, but it's okay. You can just try. Just gargle it and spit it out. Okay, another one is triphala, which I think I have mentioned in another video, like mouth ulcer. I have mentioned some home remedies, so if you have any doubts, you can go to that video. So triphala powder is the best medicine to gargle. Again, gargling is the best, like gandusha, which we say in Ayurveda, which is one of the best medicine. So now, how do we gargle? Basically, everybody just put in their mouth, they here like this, and they spit it out. That is not gargle. Gargling means when you suppose when you're drinking salt water, you just keep it under the throat, like at the end of your right here. Just try to make sure that that water touches this part. Okay, the last part of your mouth. When you open your mouth, I have posted a picture here where you can see the end of the your mouth. So that water have to touch at that part, and then you have to take some time, like 5 minutes, and then you have to spit it out. Okay, so I posted a picture here which will get a clear idea about how to gargle, because so many people are doing it the wrong way, so they might not get the right effect. So here are some of the remedies I have said. So if anybody's having any sore throat, any issues, you can comment under it, and I'm posting my number here, because if you have any doubts, you can just contact me and ask me. All right, so I'll come up with another video about how to make it a little more better, how to do the gargling and stuff. All right, okay, bye bye.